So hello everyone, today I am here to show and also learn how to use of capsule filling machine. So basically this is capsule filling machine. Before we start process, clean it properly through the brush to remove dust and waste particles. After cleaning of machine, we are aligning 100 capsule in a capsule tray at a single time. During this process, we ensure capsule part are divided to two parts, that is body and cap. And cap should be always aligned in upper direction. The capsule are aligning one by one as you can see in capsule tray. So this is our process. After aligning 100 capsule, our tray is ready, and always make sure that all capsules are well aligned in capsule tray. Then we place it over the machine. This process is detach body and cap part. For this process, as you can see, there is a right side lever. Turn to our left direction to hold body part, and then use this handle in downward direction so that we can see that uplift the capsule tray and capsule are detached. That ensure all capsule are divided. If any capsule did not separate, we separate manually as you can see. After that, place aside tray and forward for next process. Again move this right side lever at same position by which capsule body will settle in capsule mold which are placed in this machine. After that, we are using powder filling tray and place like this. This will help to block the powder in this filling area. So now it's time to fill powder in capsule body. We are taking weight powder as per required dose we need, and then flip powder slowly into this tray. Then spread it with the help of spreader plate so we can see powder filling in all capsule body, and then remove remain powder aside through the spreader. After that, to make a space between capsule body, we turn down this pinhole plate which contain pin that goes into the capsule body to make space to fill powder, and then rotate this handle until we can rotate it. Then rotate opposite direction and uplift back at own position. The powder would not be filled at a one time. So now we can see it develops a space between all capsule body. Again flip powder and spread it as well as we have done it in the past. The process will repeated until we did not fill all powder as per doses of capsule we required. So we have filled weight powder, and then remove the filling tray and also brush extra particles from the surface of tray. This may spoil your capsule, and then we are placing cap tray over this platform. So this is very important step, so be gentle and flip this rubber plate and screw it to attach cap and body part to convert into capsule shape, and then use this handle and turn downward direction slowly. It will down until gives a noise to ensure capsule of body and caps are attached with each other. The sound of noise is a sign that capsule are merged. Then uplift this rubber plate, and after that we pulled out this side of left lever as you can see that I have pulled. Then pull down the folder and lift the tray slowly. As you can see, capsule are attached. Before extract out all capsule in the tray, please make sure the all capsule are attached. To check the capsule are attached, kindly press from the bottom and top. After ensuring the capsule are attached completely, flip this tray and collect the all capsule into this box. So guys, finally we have filled all capsule and also learned how to fill capsule.